Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. You know, it's not often that a brand new router is introduced into woodworking circles, but Triton has done just that. Let me tell you all about it. First, there were handheld routers, and woodworkers really thought they were good. And then some guy mounted one to the bottom of a table, inventing the router table. And then manufacturers decided to design routers specifically for that purpose. And the culmination of that effort was the Porter Cable 7518 3¼ horsepower router. But recently, Porter Cable stopped making the 7518 for a whole bunch of reasons, leaving an important void in our market. That's the bad news. The good news is that Triton has filled that opening with an even better 3¼ horsepower router, the TFBR001 fixed base router kit. One reason this router is even better is the improvement in technology that has occurred over the last 20 years. For example, in electronic feedback circuits and in improved safety requirements for routers. The power switch mounted on the D handle is a great example of a safety upgrade. You can turn the motor on and off with both hands on the tool. The Triton motor is exactly the same diameter as the Porter Cable 7518, so all your existing jigs will work with the new motor. Using the router, I found it to be so much quieter than nearly any universal motor that I've used, which is really nice. And I also like the controlled soft start on the machine. All in all, this is a sturdy machine that will enhance any shop. In addition to this 3¼ fixed base routing package, Triton is also bringing out new routers as well, and you'll find them at rockler.com. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Thanks for watching.